If you thought soup in the air fryer wasn't possible, think again. Today, I'm gonna show you how you can use your air fryer to make some creamy, delicious soup that not only tastes amazing, it's also packed with protein and nutrients. Just wait till you see this. My name is Kathy and I empower air fryer owners to have fun in the kitchen with their air fryer. You ready to see this? Let's go. For this recipe, we are going on a field trip to my dad's garden. My dad is a third generation gardener. Sadly, it did not carry on to me. Ooh, there's bugs. I'm sorry. A bug just came out.
There are bugs in the garden.
Yeah, there are bugs in the garden.
This one has no bugs, honey.
But we love enjoying the fruits of his labor, and especially for this video. So that one's just cute.
These are good. Now I just throw them in my mouth.
There you go.
Yum, yum.
So good.
Mm-hmm.
5 stars.
Oh yeah.
5 stars. But don't worry, you don't need a garden for this recipe. The real secret is what happens next in the air fryer.
That's right.
So now we have our gorgeous 1.5 pounds of tomatoes. Then I'm gonna take a yellow pepper and an onion and do a little chop and a little chop. Then we get 3 to 5 garlic cloves and peel those. Now comes air fryer fun. Take the rack out of the air fryer, place your clean tomatoes right inside the air fryer. Throw in half of an onion, half your pepper, garlic cloves, then throw in about a tablespoon or 2 of oil. Then sprinkle in a 1/2 teaspoon of paprika, a 1/2 teaspoon of onion powder, and a 1/4 teaspoon of crushed red pepper. Add some salt to taste and some pepper. And because I don't want spices in my fingernails, I'm putting on gloves. Just mix it all around. Now we're gonna roast these in the air fryer. And instead of taking like an hour in the oven, we're gonna air fry these at 380 for 20 minutes. Now, PS, yeah, there's a roast button, but all it's doing is changing the basic preset here. It doesn't change the fan speed. So don't worry, just hit air fry or roast, it doesn't matter. But we're gonna do 380 for 20 minutes. While this is roasting, it's getting caramelized, it's blistering. It's gonna make the soup taste like you've been simmering it for hours. We're gonna add in protein. How are we gonna do that? Cottage cheese and bone broth. And then for a little more punch of flavor, some fresh basil. I snagged this out of my friend's garden. So we got 18 grams of protein in this 3/4 cup of cottage cheese. We've got 11 more grams of protein in this Kettle and Fire bone broth. And with about 5 minutes left, I just couldn't resist taking a peek. We're just gonna give it a quick little stir and let it finish cooking. Oh, beautiful. Oh my goodness, look at that. And now we bring in the blender. We're gonna transfer all of this. And then we'll add in that bone broth. And here comes the cottage cheese. I think we figured this was about 30 grams of protein we're adding in. And then some of that fresh basil. Lock it in. Pair this with a grilled cheese sandwich and you are golden. Grandpa's gonna taste test the soup.
Wow. What in the world?
That's your tomatoes.
Delicious. You gonna leave some of this for me to eat?
Yep, that's yours. How many stars do you give it out of 5?
5.
5 stars?
Oh yeah.
All the way. All right, nice. Good job on the tomatoes, Grandpa.
Thanks, honey.
Soup in the air fryer, let's go.
Hot.
Good.
Ooh, that's good though.
Mine isn't very hot right now. It's good. I'd say probably 4 out of 5.
About a 4 out of 5?
Yeah, maybe a 4.5.
Wow. That's some heartwarming soup right there. That is really good. I really like that. Very good.
It looks like it'd be like a pumpkin zucchini soup.
Ooh, grilled cheese is ready.
Very good. This is gonna be good with the grilled cheese.
Yep. How many stars?
4. 4.5.
For more air fry recipes, check this video out. I think you're gonna like this one too. Thanks for watching.